no stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town. And I won't.
What's up, guys? So I'm trying to talk low because Mahogany is up there sleeping right now. But welcome back to my channel. I'm doing another mukbang tonight. I was walking. I went to the grocery store the other day, and I just so happened to walk by the Hamburger HELPER, and I seen it was cheesy ranch burger, and I was like, I want to know what that tastes like. So guess what? I'm trying it today, and of course, I season my meat with a little bit of cayenne. I did not know cayenne went so far. When I tell you I season my meat a little bit with cayenne, I put cayenne pepper, and salt. This is hot. I tasted it and my mouth was on freaking fire. So I have my milk here because I'm just like, oh gosh, yeah, everyone knows how I am with hot stuff. I didn't think it was gonna be that hot. So I'm upset, but I'm kind of not upset because it still tastes good. But anyways, I want to taste this because I've never tasted it before and I've never seen it. And Hamburger HELPER is good. I love it. Especially the beef stroganoff. That was my favorite. This is pretty good, but it's hot. It's so spicy. So, how is everyone doing today? Hope you're doing great. And my mouth feels hot already. Whew. But I'm gonna eat it because I'm hungry and it tastes good. I'm so glad it's Friday. I've never been so ready for the weekend in my entire life. And watch, the weekend is gonna go by so fast. It's gonna be Friday, then it's gonna be Monday again. And I'm gonna be upset. I did add some fettuccine noodles with it. It came with these spiral noodles, but I ended up adding more. It's so good, but it's so hot. Mahogany went to bed early. She's knocked out. So you guys, sorry. Gosh, my lips so bad. I know now not to use so much cayenne pepper because my lips are on fire. But you guys, we are going to the fair Saturday. I'm so excited. I'm gonna do a happy dance. That's just my dog. She's sitting right beside me, waiting for something to drop. Yesterday's video, I asked you guys to comment what the, oh gosh, my mouth was burning. It's like a tabletop stove I found it at Walmart. I'm going to get it very soon. Well, you guys, my mouth is on fire, but I'm still going. I'm done. My mouth is so hot. I really didn't know cayenne pepper was so hot. I know it's cayenne pepper, but I didn't think it was that hot. Oh my gosh. This is the first time I don't never drink milk like this, but I had to tonight. Well, you guys, that was a short mukbang. Only because I didn't have like a big pile of it. Ooh, excuse me. But comment down below some cooking ideas you guys would like to see, because I think I want to do a cooking one tomorrow. Like how I did the grilled cheese. So I'll probably do one of those tomorrow. And be on the lookout for the fair vlog. I will be doing that. So you guys, I'm about to go to bed because I'm tired. I'm about to go join Mahogany over there. Can y'all see her? Probably see like a little lump. There's her right there. But anyways, I'm about to go join her in Dreamland. I hope you guys enjoy this video, this short mukbang, because it was really short. Tomorrow night will be longer because it's Friday. It's Friday. But by the time you guys see it, it'll be Saturday. But on Fridays, we party like it's 1989. Anyways, guys, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the post notification bell so you won't miss a video, because there's going to be one every single day this month. So I will see you guys in another video.
I made no promises, I can't do golden rings, but I'll give you everything.